Heads up, if you are in the United States, there's a chance that many of you could see the Northern Lights this week, November 11th, 12th, and 13th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. Over the past week, we have had a series of solar flares in sunspot region 4274 that's shown right here by this bright light, indicating an explosion on the sun. This triggers a coronal mass ejection, which is essentially a bubble of plasma that is hurled from the sun's magnetic field to Earth and moves so at very fast speeds. For the evening of Tuesday, November 11th, the Space Weather Prediction Center is anticipating a level G3 geomagnetic storm, which is considered to be strong criteria. As a result, the northern lights could be visible overhead in the green areas, which go as far south as Illinois. This includes places like Seattle, Bismarck, Rapid City, Minneapolis, Milwaukee, Chicago, South Bend, Detroit, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, New York City, and Boston, among others. Now that is just the warm-up. The real show begins tomorrow. Early this morning, we had our strongest solar flare yet, which was officially classified as X5.1. An X-level solar flare is considered to be the most intense on the scale, and this is indeed the strongest that we have seen in all of 2025. This latest coronal mass ejection is currently heading toward Earth at astonishing speeds of over 800 miles per second. As a result, for the evening of Wednesday, November 12th, the Space Weather Prediction Center has upgraded to a level G4 geomagnetic storm watch. This only occurs a few times per year and is considered severe criteria because of potential interruptions to radio signals and the electric grid. If the timing is right, this means that the aurora could be visible overhead as far south as Oklahoma, Tennessee, and South Carolina on the evening of Wednesday, November 12th. This includes places like Portland, Salt Lake City, Denver, Wichita, Tulsa, Kansas City, St. Louis, Memphis, Nashville, Louisville, Charlotte, Raleigh, and points northward. In order to maximize your chances of seeing the northern lights, you need to head north to a place with minimal light pollution and clear skies. One thing that can throw a wrench into your viewing abilities would be cloud cover, so let's take a look at the latest forecast. For the evening of Tuesday, November 11th, cloud cover looks to be an issue across the Northeast as well as most areas west of the Rockies. However, the central U.S. is expected to see mostly clear skies, so prime viewing conditions look to be in the upper Midwest and northern plains. There is also risk for patchy cloud cover across swaths of the U.S. on the evening of Wednesday, November 12th. Trust me, this is a show you do not want to miss, so make sure to set your alarms and get your cameras ready.